Welcome to the lecture series on orthogonal trajectories. Today's problem is finding the orthogonal trajectory of the curve 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. And this is a polar curve. So let us see how to solve orthogonal trajectories for polar curves. First I'll write 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Now I'll apply log on both sides. Log 2a by r is equal to log 1 minus cos theta. Now I can write this left hand side as log 2a minus log r is equal to log of 1 minus cos theta. Now I'll differentiate this with respect to theta. So first term will become 0 minus 1 by r dr by d theta, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus cos theta into differentiation of 1 minus cos theta is minus sin theta, but minus of minus will get plus sin theta. Now this is a differential equation in terms of r and theta. Now I have to replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. So if I do that, 1 by r into minus r square d theta by dr is equal to sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So r get cancelled. So it will remain with minus r d theta by dr is equal to sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Now I'll separate the variables so that I can get like this. So 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta into d theta. All r terms I'll take that side so that I can get 1 by r minus 1 by r dr I'll get. So now, but this minus into minus, this is plus, both sides plus only will get. So this can be written as cosecant theta minus cot theta d theta is equal to 1 by r dr. So now integrate on both sides. Integral cosecant theta minus cot theta d theta is equal to integral 1 by r dr. So integration of cosecant theta is minus log cosecant theta plus cot theta minus integration of cot theta is log of sin theta is equal to log r. This I can rewrite it as plus log c, into where log c is the integrating constant. Now I have to continue the same. This I can take minus common, log of cosecant theta plus cot theta into sin theta. Why? Because it is of the form log a plus log b, since I have taken minus outside. So log a plus log b is log ab. Here also log a plus log b is log ab, log rc. So log of, here if I multiply this inside, cosecant theta into sin theta is 1, cot theta into sin theta is cos theta. So I'll get 1 plus cos theta is equal to minus log RC. So log of 1 plus cos theta is equal to log of RC whole power minus 1. Now if I remove logs on both sides, I'll get 1 plus cos theta is equal to RC whole power minus 1. This implies 1 by RC is equal to 1 plus cos theta is the required orthogonal trajectories we need. Thank you.